Everybody hates potholes. They're a major nuisance for parking lots of all shapes and sizes. Not only are they unsightly, but parking lot potholes can also be dangerous, damaging vehicles and causing injuries. So let's take a look at their causes and explore some simple solutions. This is the complete guide to potholes. First, let's start with materials. Asphalt is synonymous with potholes. The reason why you see potholes develop much more frequently in asphalt is that it's especially susceptible to water damage. Water gets in through the cracks in the surface of the pavement, expanding and contracting with temperature swings to weaken the asphalt over time. Eventually, combined with the pressure and weight of vehicle traffic, the weakened asphalt begins to crumble and break, leading to divots and ruts in the surface of the pavement. As these are continually driven over, the ruts and divots develop into full-blown potholes. These potholes can be repaired, but it can be expensive. A typical pothole repair costs $35 to $50 on top of an initial mobilization cost of $100 to $150, not to mention the hassle associated with scheduling the repairs and the inconvenience visitors will face navigating the parking lot maintenance. A better approach to dealing with potholes is to choose a paving system that will never develop them in the first place. The number one choice when it comes to pothole-proof pavement is the commercial-grade Pro Plus system made by TRUEGRID. TRUEGRID permeable pavers are made from 100% post-consumer recycled high-density polyethylene. Even when empty, they can handle the weight of fully loaded 60,000-pound dump trucks, and filled with gravel, they are practically indestructible. But ultra-high compressive strength is just the beginning. Each piece of grid also features our patented S-flex joints, which allow the grid to move with the earth and withstand the tremendous torque generated by vehicles turning at low speed. Perhaps more importantly, the S-flex joints allow expansion and contraction during hot and cold weather extremes. The extreme heat wave that has destroyed asphalt and even concrete from overexpansion causing buckling in the Northwest would have no effect on gravel-filled TRUEGRID. Best of all, TRUEGRID is 100% permeable, which means water passes through the surface into the ground below, just as nature intended. This virtually eliminates the risk of water damage and is a primary reason TRUEGRID parking lots can last more than 50 years with little to no maintenance. To learn if TRUEGRID is right for your parking lot, visit TrueGridPaver.com or call 1-855-355-GRID. TRUEGRID, the world's strongest permeable paver.